Welcome to ChocoColor. Are you ready to have fun?
Hi, little artists. Today, I'm drawing the crocodile. And start with 2 eyes, and then the nose. Now I'm drawing the head and the body. And now I'm drawing the teeth. Let's draw the feet. And the other feet. And now let's draw the hand. And now let's draw a zigzag on the back. Look at nice shape. And now it's time to color. Yay! Let's put some pink. And the back also. So bright thing. And now I color with the red. And a zigzag also, don't forget. Now I put the yellow on the zigzag also. And now it's time for the blue. Wow, look at the rainbow color. Now it's time for the brown. On the nail also. Now it's time for purple. And now the final is the green. We're gonna color with the green all over the body. Stay with us because we're gonna finish it soon. We're almost there. Wow, our crocodile is so beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe and like. We'll see you in next video. Bye bye.